Cue the future, where robots are revolutionizing the industry landscape. Imagine a factory floor, once bustling with human activity, now streamlined with robotic precision. Robots are not just metal and wires, they're the workforce of tomorrow. Robots increase productivity by working tirelessly around the clock, with no need for breaks or sleep. They perform complex tasks with speed and precision that surpass human capabilities. The result? A dramatic increase in production rates and quality. But it's not only about productivity, it's also about cost reduction. Robots, once programmed, can perform repetitive tasks without error, reducing waste and rework. Plus, they don't require benefits, holidays, or sick days, cutting labor costs significantly. Thus, robots in industry are a game changer, boosting productivity and slashing costs. Welcome to the future, where robots are the new norm. This is the era of industrial automation, where efficiency and economy go hand in hand.